Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. And if we go under the classwork and we go to Thursday, May 14th, we'll see that we have the morning message and announcements. So we have Mr. McCormick's morning announcements as well as a book reading, Big Max, the World's Greatest Detective. And then my morning message will be up shortly when I'm done recording it. For math today, we have another thing in IXL. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to use this to log into IXL, and we're going to work on the recommendation problems. If you don't remember how to do that, you can use this little link right here that Mr. Elms made, a short little video on how to do that. We would really like it if you did at least 10 problems or for 30 minutes. You can obviously go longer if you want, but we really recommend doing at least 10 problems or for at least 30 minutes. That would be great. And don't forget to mark in the Google Classroom that you are done, so we know that Mr. Elms and I know that you had completed it. You'll have a music assignment, a read aloud, the Chocolate Touch, chapters 3 and 5, so we're continuing our read aloud. Mr. Horton is reading it today, so we can go on and check that out as well. And don't forget to mark that you're done. If you want to comment something on it, you can. Maybe start a conversation about it. Go ahead, write on Google Classroom. We have this online library card. It's super cool. It talks about if you need books stuck at home, no problem. You can read online. So it gives you these 3 app options here, and this one uses your school account, so you don't need a public library card. But if you have one, this is kind of what it looks like. Oh, it's upside down. This is what it looks like. And then you'll go on down here. So if you have one, you'll go this way. So I would go this way, and it says to use your barcode on the back. So this is the barcode that it would be talking about. And if you don't, you can get an e-card, and that's no big deal at all. So you can use those, and here's a little instruction about each one of those apps as well to use. Super cool and super fun, and you can find a whole bunch of fun books to read. And then last we have a mystery Doug. So why do birds lay eggs in the spring? Doug has the answer for that. So if you want to find out why birds lay their eggs in the spring, you can definitely check this video out, watch it through, watch the 5 bonus clips, and don't forget to vote for what question you would like Doug to answer for the next week. So that is all that we have planned for today. Don't forget to mark when it's done, even your specials. When you're done with music, mark it. So Mr. Elms and I know each one that you have done. And that is it. So I hope you all have a great Thursday and have fun doing your virtual learning. And I miss you all so very much.